In the garage. They're passing the garage.
They're washing the car. They're washing the car in the rain. In the storm. Look at Buddy in the branch.
Don't tap me, don't tap me.
Oh my gosh, it's pouring.
Okay, your turn, honey.
I like to.
It's not really that cold.
What are they doing? Jumping jack.
Oh my God, you're soaked. Here comes Brian.
Here comes the hell.
Oh my God. One.
You ready or not yet?
No. It's like it takes your breath away.
Yeah, it does.
We said, oh, press the tree. Hey, pick up the branch and put
That was funny.
Oh. Especially when you're in a tropical island, it's just natural.
Yeah.
It feels good when it hits you in the face. Come here.
See you
If you
wet.
love me, you'll get wet.
Here they come.
Woo!
That's the natural way to take a bath in the Philippines.
Hey, if you love me, you'll take a shower with me, babe.
Ew.
That's clean water.